This is the elevator at the Mercantile building in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's a ThyssenKrupp Signa 4. It's an owl picture in the back of the cab. Basement. Some of the buttons are traditional, some of the buttons are I think only 3 and 4, Signa 4. Here go down. It's an Oildraulic. I think this is from 2009. Here at the basement. Takes forever to level. Up to 5. Probably gonna run out of storage any second. Here we go up. I wanted to get in here forever, but I finally got in. Here at 5. Down to 1. It's a basic ThyssenKrupp cab. One time I was here with Jared, I saw the TKE van in the parking lot. I guess they were working on this. I think this was like last year. You're back at 1. Arm button rings. Wow, that was really fast leveling on the first floor. Yeah, I think there was an old freight elevator here that sadly got ripped out when this was installed. They're closing, that's going to be it.